Today I want to talk about extended strings, a very nice new feature of Database Release 12. Now, one of the most irritating limitations of the database has always been this. Alter-table emp add new call varchar2 4001. I've tried to add a column that's 4001 bytes long, and you can't do it. Oracle SQL cannot have a varchar column over 4,000 bytes. This is pretty small for the 21st century. And when you consider that PL SQL has always been able to have varchars up to 32K, it is absurd. This is finally fixed in Release 12. See this parameter, max string size. The default is standard, meaning that the 4,000 byte limit is enforced. However, if you change it to extended, you can have 32 kilobyte varchars, nvarchars, and raw columns. Now, if I try to change it, there's a bit of bad news. Alter system set max string size equals extended. Can't do it. Parameter cannot be modified because the specified value is invalid. Database must be in upgrade mode. So a strange parameter. It's a dynamic parameter, but you can't change it when the database is open in normal mode. So there is a bit of downtime to making the change. So I'll connect a sysdba, shut down the instance, and now bring it back up in upgrade mode. And now that it is open in upgrade mode, I'll set the parameter to extended. There is one more step, a script that has to be run against the data dictionary. That is the utl32k.sql script. It doesn't take long. And now that it's completed, restart the database. I should mention that running that script is a one-way process. You cannot go back to the standard string limitations. But why would you, when you can now do this? I've just added a 32 kilobyte varchar2 column to my emp table. You can also, of course, modify existing columns. Now, how is it actually implemented? Well, to reverse engineer it, we'll see that under the covers, you are in fact using lobs. So, see this. Describe the emp table. There it is, my new call, varchar2 32,000. But, however, if I run this query, select table name, column name, secure file from user lobs, we see that in fact the column new call is a secure file lob. So that's the implementation. It's an extremely user-friendly interface to lobs. Now, any function that takes a varchar argument will accept an extended varchar. There is at last compatibility between SQL and PL SQL. The fact that it is in fact a large object does have some implications for indexing, which you do need to remember. But in general, this is a huge technical advance.